Hello and welcome to another edition of Stockwatch. So as we get into the back end of the trading week, we're still having the earnings season reports still coming out, and in this time we're seeing the likes of eBay and the insurance company Prudential post their earnings for the last quarter, and eBay's has been quite successful. They've beat Wall Street expectations, but they did actually miss out on their own revenue forecast, which was a little bit shocking. So let's just take a look at the numbers then. So we had a earnings adjustment of 99 cents a share from 96 cents and $2.7 billion in revenue against 2.66 billion. So as I said, it has actually exceeded, but it could have done a little bit better. And also it is still getting, it has been hit hard like most other companies with the pandemic, but it is looking to break out in this third quarter that we are now in. So basically the next earnings seasons, we should see even more of a better revenue for eBay, as we have seen for pretty much most of the companies that I've been reporting on Stockwatch as well. So for its third quarter, eBay expects revenue in a range of $2.42 billion to $2.47 billion. So that's quite a significant thing to say from the company. And Prudential as well, they've reported increases in half-year profits with adjusted operating profit of 1.57 billion, and this is actually up 22% year on year. But so naturally most companies are doing a lot better than this time last year when we were in the height of the first wave of the pandemic, unfortunately. So let's just take a look at the numbers there. They're doing very good, strong numbers in Asia and Africa in particular, as that new business profit grew by 29% to $1.57 billion. So they are looking at Africa and Asia to really prop up their market there. So let's just take a quick look on eBay first of all today. So what I was worried about with eBay is if once prices started falling lower, if we were going to just keep on falling, because we did get a little bit of an engulfment in the Ichimoku cloud, and when this happens it usually means that prices will start moving a little bit lower as well. But they've managed to hold on. I'll just zoom in for a better perspective. So they've managed to hold on, and not only that, they've actually propelled outside the Ichimoku cloud now as well. So in that sense, we are looking that there is going to be another upswing in prices in the next few trading sessions, possibly by the end of the week. You know, tomorrow's session is the last of the week, so hopefully for bulls especially, this candle is a very good assurance that prices will stay above this Ichimoku top border as well. And if we just take a look on the 4-hour chart, again we can see this time the prices have not actually pierced the top border, the bottom border of the Ichimoku cloud. So we could find a bit of resistance in the near term at least. But overall, things are looking quite good for eBay to the upside at least. So we'll see what happens with that. Not really too much in the way of divergences on the RSI. As you can see, things are converging as they are looking like. So we'll just see what the next signals are for eBay and Prudential as well. Let's just bring it out onto the daily chart first of all. So Prudential has been quite buoyant in the last few trading sessions. As you can see, they had a bit of a slowdown in price, a bit of a sell-off. Prices did crash through the Ichimoku cloud, but now we are seeing a move to the upside and possibly back up to fresh highs to test that region again, roughly about the 110 mark. So again, we're just waiting to see if there's going to be any signs of any divergences to really propel and start pushing prices higher. Obviously we saw this one here not so long ago, but if we look on the 4-hour chart, again you can see that hidden bullish divergence there, and that could actually propel prices even higher, which it has done. And then we'll see if we get any more signals for another push to the upside, or if we have a bit of resistance in that region to start moving prices lower. So just a few things to look out for, since the earnings season is upon us and we're getting a lot of positivity from a lot of companies as well. So that's all from the Stockwatch today. Thank you very much for joining me once again. If you have any comments or queries, please feel free to add them to the post and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.